Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today I'm going to attempt to repair this watch. Basically, the spring bar broke on it. This is my father-in-law's watch. He likes these stretchy bracelets. I'm not sure what these are called exactly. Spinal, maybe? Spiegel, something like that. I don't know. But you can see it's got some wear to it. Somehow the chrome plating, or whatever you want to call it, is worn off. So it looks to be a brass watch. It's a pretty inexpensive Timex. I think it's probably at least 10 years old. I would bet he's close to needing a new battery on this, or maybe just buying a new watch. But yeah, anyway, you can see it's got some scratches on the crystal. Maybe you can't see it. So anyway, let's try and get this spring bar in here. Sorry about the mess on the mat. So it has these little metal tabs on the end link here. It's just a stamped end link. I think the whole thing is probably stamped steel. And got my jar of spring bars. Took me a while to find the right size, but I think I got the right size here. So let's get it in. I'm going to actually have to pause the video and get it closer to my face so I can see what I'm doing here. I don't know if you're able to see what I'm doing anyway because of this bracelet. So yeah, I'm actually going to pause the video and I'll be right back. Well, it wasn't too bad, just not very easy when I can't get it up close to my face to see what I'm doing here, so I had to pause the video for a moment. So there we go. Looks like it will do the trick. Kind of a loose fit. The other one's not terribly tight either, though. So I think that will do the trick for now. Let me know what you guys think of these bracelets. I never really cared for them. I don't know what you guys think of them, but well, you can see some dings and dents on here. Kind of cool to see all the wear that's taking place on this thing. So just a quick little video, something a little bit different, kind of DIY watch repair. Yeah, this thing's, maybe I'll have to get him a new one, go to Walmart or something and just pick up a new watch, but looks like this will work for now. So that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.